that attractive looking of a plant, but I was at Home Depot and my friend said, Rachel, you need to buy this. It's $20. And apparently that's a really good deal for a fiddle leaf fig. So I just bought it because it was a good deal. I don't even really like it, but I just got it 2 weeks ago and it already has a new leaf. This is a pretty rare plant. It's called a variegated alocasia. So there's something wrong with it, but I think it's beautiful. It has little babies growing, little babies. My monstera, she's really happy right now. Look at all those holes. She has a new leaf right here, also has holes.
Does those have anything to do with the plants?
Has nothing to do with the plant. This one is a plant. This is lavender.
You saw the photo.
People are really scared of neglecting their plants, so they overwater, thinking that they're gonna take care of it, but in reality, they're just drowning it. So they should be more conscientious of how much water their plants need. There's plants in the bathroom.
But that's the private room.
That's private, yeah.
Sorry. You have to come visit for yourself.
Yeah. Bye, everybody.